What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to land clients automatically without making a single call using Claude. So let's get started. So I'll show you how to create a cloud-powered outreach system that combines LinkedIn research, personalized email generation, multi-touch follow-up sequences, and a pre-call preparation brief to land clients without making a single call. To create a cloud-powered outreach system, I'm going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for doing the research for us, generating personalized emails and follow-ups, and a pre-call preparation brief. To create a skill, I'll click on Customize right here. Then I'll click on Skills. And here we're going to click on the plus icon right here. And then we're going to create a skill using Claude. Here I'll hit Enter to describe to Claude the skill that we'd like it to create for us. You can tell Claude, create a skill that analyzes leads from an uploaded spreadsheet using the company name, website, LinkedIn profile, job title, and any additional information available. Then research each prospect and company to understand what they do, how they position themselves, what service they offer, and any potential growth, operational, marketing, sales, or automation opportunities that may be relevant. And write a concise research summary explaining why the prospect may be a good fit. Using the summary, generate a highly personalized outreach email that references specific observations about the prospect or company. Keep the email natural, conversational, and under 150 words. Then create a 4-step follow-up sequence where each follow-up introduces a new observation, insight, or angle rather than repeating previous messaging. And finally, generate a pre-call brief summarizing the prospect, their business, likely goals, likely challenges, potential opportunities, and recommended talking points for a sales conversation. Repeat this process for every lead in the spreadsheet. Then compile our research summaries, outreach emails, follow-up sequences, pre-call briefs, rankings, insights, and overall findings into a single well-structured Google document, and organize the document by prospect and include an executive summary at the beginning, highlighting the highest value opportunities, common patterns, key points, and recommended outreach themes across all leads, and provide a shareable Google Docs link as part of the final output so the document can be reviewed, edited, and shared. So for Claude to create our skill, I'm going to hit Enter here. Give it a few seconds for it to create our skill for us. Here, you can see it successfully created our skill for us right here. This is really incredible. Here's what the skill does. So it reads our leads from a spreadsheet, pulling the company name, website, LinkedIn, job title, and any extra columns. And then researches each prospect and company. Then writes research summary explaining the fit. Then generates personalized outreach emails. Then writes 4-step follow-up sequences and builds a pre-call brief. Then it proceeds to score and rank every lead. Then compiles all these data into a Google Docs and returns a shareable link to review the research that he did for us. Here are some few assumptions baked in the skill. So the default offer, in my case, is automation services. You can specify the offer that you're offering in your business or your agency as you create the skill. Then it's going to generate the Google Docs in Google Drive. And then it pulled our existing email writing rules that we outlined in Claude. This is incredible. So now to preview the skill, we can click on it right here. So we can review the skill line by line to ensure that it does exactly what we want. Here, it's a very comprehensive skill that it does exactly what we would like it to do. I'll click on save to save the skill. Here you can see we're getting the error that the field description in skill.md must be at most 1024 characters. We can tell it to make the changes for us. So here we can tell Claude fix this error, then post the error here. Let's give it a second for it to fix our error. You can see it successfully fixed our skill. For the skill, so we can go ahead and save it. Now here you can see our updated skill. So I'm going to click on save right here to save it. You can see that our skill was saved right here. This is really impressive. We can go back and preview our skill line by line to ensure that it does exactly what we would like it to do. Right here. This is incredible. Now, if you'd like to edit the skill, to maybe include some information to the skill or remove some information from the skill, you can go back to the skill. You can see a preview of our skill right here. To make the changes, all you have to do is just click on the three dots right here to edit with Claude. Then here you can describe to Claude exactly what you'd like to edit. So you can tell Claude to include the information that you'd like to include to the skill or exclude some information from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we're going to proceed and give Claude a couple of leads for you to create for us our cloud-powered outreach system. I'm going to clear these and use our skill to analyze and generate an outbound system using Claude. So here I'm going to find our skill, which is a lead research outreach suit skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to analyze the leads in the dental clinic spreadsheet in Google Drive and run the complete outbound workflow for each lead. So now in Google Sheets, I've added a list of leads that would like to contact. Ascribed to dental clinics and added their client name, address, phone number, website, ratings, and some of their reviews that the customers have left in Google reviews. So we'd like to analyze these leads and generate a personalized outreach email, follow-ups, and a pre-call preparation brief in Claude. So here we're telling Claude research each prospect, generate a personalized outreach email, create a 4-step follow-up sequence, and produce a pre-call preparation brief. Rank the leads from highest opportunity to lowest opportunity and identify common pain points, opportunities, and outreach themes across the entire list. Compile all outputs into a Google document that includes the executive summary, lead rankings, research summaries, outreach emails, follow-up sequences, pre-call briefs, and overall findings, and provide a shareable Google Docs link in the final output for review and editing. So instead of Google Docs, you can also choose to use Google Sheets instead. And then here I'm going to hit enter. Give it a second for it to create our outbound outreach system. Here you can see it successfully analyzed our leads in the spreadsheet, did a research of the leads, then generated an outreach email, follow-up emails, and a pre-call preparation brief that was added to the spreadsheet right here. To preview the spreadsheet, I'll open this link. So now when we open our spreadsheet, here you can see the research that he did for us over here from our 2 leads. These were the 2 leads that he got from the spreadsheet. For each spreadsheet, here you can see their company name, their fit score, the executive summary of each lead right here. Here's the lead ranking. Here's the research summary right here. Here's the outreach email that we can send Dr. Sandep, who is the first lead. And here's the outreach email that we can send the second lead. Here are their follow-up emails. We generated a total of 4 follow-up emails that are to be sent in a course of 2 to 3 weeks. Same with this one right here. Here's a pre-call brief for each lead, and here are the insights for each lead. This is really impressive and incredible. So we successfully did a comprehensive research on our leads, then generated the executive summary, rankings, outreach emails, follow-up emails, and a pre-call brief for each lead. Using this skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. Try updating our spreadsheet with a couple of more different leads. Generate summary, outreach emails, follow-up emails, and a pre-call brief for the new leads using our skill we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. I've gone ahead and updated our dental clinic spreadsheet with 2 new dental clinics. So to generate the outreach system for these 2 leads, using our skill, here I'm going to hit enter. Just give it a second for you to do that. You can see it successfully generated our outreach research of our 2 leads. We had it right here, and output the research to this spreadsheet right here. So we can preview by opening this link right here. So I'll open the link. Now when we open the link, you can see the lead research and outreach package that is generated for us over here for our 2 leads. You can see that here. Here are the leads. So here you can see the prospect name, their company name, their fit score, executive summary of each lead, the rankings, the research summary, the outreach emails that we can send our 2 leads right here, the 4 follow-up emails we can send to our leads, the brief call summaries right here for both of our leads, and the insights right here. This is really impressive. So we successfully did a comprehensive research of our 2 leads right here, then generated executive summary, research summary, outreach emails, follow-up emails, a pre-call brief, and insights to each of our company's leads. Seeing the skill that we created right here in Claude, this is really incredible. We can try doing lead research and generate outreach packages similar to this one for 3 more leads, 3 more different leads that I've added to our spreadsheet right here. To do that, I'm going to reuse our prompt right here. So I'll copy it and paste it right here. And I'm going to make sure that it's going to use our scale. Then I'm going to hit enter right here. Give it a few seconds for it to perform the research and generate our outreach emails. Successfully generated our lead research and outreach package for our 3 leads. To preview the spreadsheet, I'm going to open this link right here. Now, when we open it, you can see our 3 companies right here. The same companies in our dental clinic spreadsheet. So here you can see the prospect's name. Here's the owner of the clinic. Here's the company name, their fit. Here's the executive summary of our 3 leads right here. Here's the lead ranking. So here's the research summary we generated for 3 companies. And here you can see the outreach emails that we can send our 3 leads. So the owners of the company. And the follow-up emails, 4 of them, we can send to our leads right here. Here's the pre-call briefs for 3 leads right here. And here are the insights for the 3 companies. This is incredible. We successfully did this comprehensive research on our leads and generated this outreach package for 3 dental clinics right here. Seeing the skill that we created right here in Claude, you can try repeating the same process one last time. I've gone ahead and updated our dental clinic spreadsheet with 3 new leads. Let us try performing research on these leads and then generate an outreach package for the leads. To do that, I'm going to reuse our prompt. Here I'm going to hit enter. Give it a second for it to do that. It got our 3 dental clinics in our spreadsheet right here. Then proceeded to do the comprehensive research on our leads and generated these outreach packages right here for 3 leads. To preview the packages, I'm going to open this link right here. Here you can see our 3 companies right here. These are the same companies in our spreadsheet over here. You can see the prospect name, company name, fee score, the executive summary of the 3 leads right here, the lead rankings, and the research summary of the companies right here. The outreach emails you can send leads right here, very personalized outreach emails. Then here you can see the follow-up emails. We generated a total of 4 follow-up emails. We can send the leads following up on the outreach email. Then here you can see the pre-call briefs for 3 leads. Then lastly, you can see the insights right here. This is incredible. We successfully did the research of our leads right here. Then outputted the research, the outreach package to a spreadsheet over here automatically using the skill that we created right here in Claude. The only thing that is left is just uploading your list of leads and the outreach and the follow-up emails to a cold email sending tool. like instantly or lemless. Then add the outreach emails and the follow-up emails in the right sequences. Now from there you can begin sending outreach campaigns to your list of leads automatically without doing any manual work. We just included a handful of leads since this is just an example, but you can choose to go as high as you want. This is how you can automate your entire lead generation process by creating this skill in Claude. Like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.